And you'd be like, ooh. I'd be like, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, so let's get into this.
You know. Damn, it's banging. You know. It's banging. Oh, banging. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas all through the year. La 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 la, do 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 do. Merry Christmas to you. What's up, everybody? Snoopy's back finally. I know it's been a minute. It's been a while. It's been real busy. Life has been busy. All right. But I finally got some time the day after Christmas to do some leftovers and some fresh overs right here for y'all, right here on the Snoopy Eats 408 channel. Right here, we keep it banging, you know. And welcome back, everybody, man. I hope everybody had a blessed holidays if you celebrated. I just really love chilling and having the days off and eating. Play some dominoes. Had a couple drinks here and there because I don't drink no more, but it felt nice to have a couple drinks, play some dominoes. And but we'll get into more chit chat in a minute. I'm gonna focus more on eating right now, but because you all showed up, we got to pull it up. That's right. So we got a frosty mug right here to kind of defrost it a little bit, but the ice is still clumpy. And we got some Canadian Canada Dry. All right, so we got 2 cans of that. And yeah, that's it. I might do a quick little reading out of 2 books. We got some live streams going on, man. Christmas giveaway, free cars for GTA 5. If you want to join my channel, it'll be somewhere right here. Snoopafly 408 Gaming. And that's what it is. Pull it up. Yeah, it looks like this one can is filling this up, so might not have to crack the other one. All right, y'all. Cheers. That's refreshing. All right, just a little bit of hot sauce because we are back to work right away. And speaking of work, I do have some cool little information about, you know, new beginnings and starts or whatever. I'll explain to you what I have here on the platter. So you already got a glimpse of a little, 30-second clip from the beginning of the video. So anyway, right here we have some cured honey glazed ham with some turkey, some sweet potato. We got 2 Guyanese style homemade fresh beef patties. Blessings from my sister Mish. She's the one that has Mish's Sweet Treats. She bakes. Trying to get her to launch a business soon. We got some straight up Guyanese style roti right here. Excuse me. We got some white rice. We got a little bit of cranberry right here. We got some gravy right here. And we have my favorite beef curry or curry beef, however you want to say it, with a little bit of potatoes. And then my all-time favorite that I only get once a year at this time of year. This right here. It's got some oxtail in there, some chunks of beef. This is called pepper pot. All right. So for those that don't know, go check it out. Pepper pot. All right. So I'm going to start digging in. Let's go straight for the curry. Straight banging. I haven't eaten in like 8 hours. Just was like, it's extremely busy. And we cleaned up the whole place. I mean, laundry, shower, bathroom, bedroom, filming area, entertainment area, more lights, a nice special light, like everything just went all out. Let's dunk some of these greens in the gravy, shall we? Bang. I don't know who made this gravy. It's not a stick, but it's very tasty and it's peppery. I like it. Get a little bit of this roti right here and dunk it in the pepper pot. Wait. Yeah, man. Got a real thing I go on here, you know. Look at this. Oh, I don't want to drip it. Fuck it, let's drip it. Ooh, first bite, gang, you know. And that's sweet and spicy. Not over sweet, but savory from the beef. The oxtail. That's probably one of my favorite dishes of all time. So I was chopping it up with some good people this last night, and we were talking, talking about this life and money and work and jobs and old employment, funny style individuals and stuff. So we're sipping, playing dominoes hard. Music's going. And we get to talk about work. So my brother-in-law, who's been in this business that me and my other ex-brother-in-law got him into many, many years ago, excuse me. He ran with it like he's the boss. He's been there for a very, very long time. The company loves him. He's their number one man. And so they want him to open up another company. All right. So oh yeah, by the way, there will be a New Year's mukbang for sure. It might be late, like how this one is. That one won't be late. Or it might, I don't know. But even though, still gonna push it out to the people, you know what I'm saying? So, he's gonna open another plant. The only thing that sucks is that the drive is gonna be an extra 20, 25, 30 minutes. And I'm already pushing an hour from here to my job currently, right? But, all praise to the Most High and the universe and our ancestors and all that good energy, channeling it. It's the same work I did for 18 years. All right, now hold on. Oh, damn, that's freaking refreshing. All right, yo. So, when you're eating something, you got such a good drink to go with it. You got enough. You don't have to worry about it. That's how I feel right now. Excited. So anyway, yeah. So it's further of a drive, but the pay is about almost 4 times more what I'm making now. And why am I whispering? Because hey, I'm so excited, dude. The bonus, the Christmas bonus that these guys receive is fucking phenomenal. Well, I'm at by now, and I used to get extraordinary bonuses, dude. Way back in the time tunnel when I worked for a similar company, but at another plant under another name, right? Anyway, yeah. The scratchola was delicious. Like you get your regular pay, and then you got your bonus. So you pay your rent, pay your light, your gas, your energy, and your water, and all that stuff out the way. You can spoil yourself, treat yourself. pay your insurance, fill your tank with gas, give a little money to your loved one, and knock out all your gift shopping and still have just a little chunk to get you through until you get back on the pay pattern again. Oh, dude, it's dope. It's so dope. And this is some serious change. And the management get twice as much. I don't want to let too much out. But I'll tell you right now, this is like, even though I used to get it like that too, not exactly like that much, but enough to sustain me. Yo, this place is twice as better. So I'm gonna sacrifice, and I'm going to check it out and hopefully get it. And that's my brother-in-law that's running the show. It's gonna be this, baby. It's gonna be this. Because other than, my family's straight. Everybody does their thing. My kids are grown. They both work. They're happy and stuff. But I like to give back here and there where I can, and also too for you guys. So, I mean, the only thing I would upgrade more for this would be just like a light overhead. I don't even really think I need it, but maybe invest in a better editing program or something like that. But for right now, I mean, this is pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? Like my videos, I used to like edit them like crazy, like, with like cool little pictures pop up here and there, little animated things here and there. But I mean, I don't have time to do all that no more. But you guys appreciate just the function to come and chill here and eat with me. Excuse me, and I'm eating with you. I'm eating all the Caribbean food first. In the Caribbean families, my Caribbean folks out there, man, tell me this. When you're younger, all that homemade food was just always, there's so much of it, so frequent. And as soon as you get older, I mean, you can go to certain markets and pick it up and come home and prep it and cook it yourself, but it's not the same, man. Some of this turkey. My favorite. The little fatty bits. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Ooh. Got to get a dunk for that, baby. And the beat goes on. And the beat goes on. Damn, son. So I'm excited about that, man. That's some good news, man. You know what I'm saying? Because where I'm at right now, I'm thankful for everything. I get it. I work hard for it. It's not enough. And I'll say this is fact right here. 100%. All y'all will agree with. Everybody on earth will agree with me on this right here. No matter where you work, no matter how much money you have or you make, the cost of living has got so high, it's so uncomfortable. We're still maintaining. All praise is due to that, but I'll tell you like this. It's ridiculous, the living conditions now. Price-wise, renting-wise, trying to own something. And then some people, we work so hard, and then it's just like your fund just goes straight into just keeping that roof over your head with the minimum groceries, and you stretch. And there's nothing wrong with learning how to save and stretch, but it's just ridiculous when the price of living goes up and your job is not paying you more. You feel me? They're not saying, oh, yeah, based on performance and all that, but yeah, people gotta live. So we're not building spaceships, but we are using our muscle every day, as well as your brain. So that pay needs to go up. Cost of living is going up, pay needs to go up. All right, a lot of people are moving. A lot of families are joining back together again because it's too hard, man. So I see this opportunity and I'm going to take it. And then hopefully, maybe late next year sometime, hopefully I can upgrade my vehicle, because the car that I have is pretty good. She's been taking care of us really good. But I need something newer and stronger. And, sometimes my driver's side window will come down when I roll it down or whatever, if I'm having a smoke or whatever, and it'll get stuck. And I have to hit it a few times, and sometimes it doesn't work when you hit it. Then I got to turn my car off and wait a couple seconds, turn it back on. Hopefully it'll go up. And I just don't have time to do it all that. I forgot what I was saying. Gonna try that patty in a minute. This is my sister's twist and take on some homemade Guyanese style beef patties right here. Only on Snoopy's for you finna get this. Why? Excuse me. I seen a bit of the cooking process. When she was doing the dough, it just looked amazing. Now the pastry for me can get a little dry, so that's why I hit my ketchup or whatever. But I got gravy right here, so we're gonna take full advantage though, because I'm a dipper. What does my bestie Gorda de Lena Cállate la boca pendejo say? She always calls me sausage dipper. Lena, look at this. Homemade beef patties. You should try to make these. You know what? I'll send you the recipe. You can make them. Post them all over your IG. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's amazing. It's like sticky, runny, but not watery. The flavors are just amazing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. As you can tell, I like my Caribbean part of this meal the most. Some people are really like, oh, they only eat one thing, then they'll cleanse their palate, eat one thing, whatever. But I like to mix my food, not like mix it all together, but take a few bites here, few bites here, few bites here, because you're getting different flavors. What do they call it? Is that like a chef mentality? Because right here we get the peppery, and sweetness from the pepper pot. The nice, smooth, juicy beef curry, slightly spicy with the rice. The beef patty. And then you got the roti, of course. I mean, it all just comes together bomb, man. I'm having fun with this. And it may not look like much, and the way I did it, I tried a small portion of everything so I get a little bit on here. But it's actually a lot of food at the end of the day when you think about it, because I got the pepper pot. I had like 8 chunks of curry beef, which I'm down to 2 left. Small bowl this size of rice, some sweet potato with a nice little glaze on it. The cranberry, the 2-piece little cured ham. The turkey, I had like 3 big pieces of ripped off chunks. The patty, I'm not gonna finish all the patties though. Not now. I'll get peckish in about an hour and a half. But you know, I'm about to go live on my gaming channel. Like I said, Snoopy Fly Faraway Gaming. Go check me out. I'm growing over there. We having fun. I'm learning a lot on how to do glitches. Get ready to do legal, not illegal, but legal through Rockstar's eyes. Money glitches that you can do, that you can't get in trouble for. It's all legit. Merging Bennies and F1s onto different vehicles. Also terabytes. I need an AA trailer for my MOC. And I need the Enos deity on Bennies. Any kind of Bennies. So if you're out there and you have those things, please get at me, message me, see me online, hit me up. My gamer tag, all capitals, Snoopy, SNOOPY, with a little slash, 4087. Yes, I put a little line through my 7. Anyway, this was amazing right here. I'm gonna take a couple more bites and then close out, man. I wanted to do, it's holiday, right? So sometime within the next 2 to 3 videos, I want to drop a nice comfort winter cozy soup video with grilled cheese. So probably like a tomato soup, nice quality Campbell tomato soup, a little hot sauce, maybe 2 grilled cheese sandwiches cut. That's it, simple. 3 cheese grilled cheese, that's it. Boom, regular bread. Something to get you cozy, warm, and fuzzy. And yeah, man. Got some of my favorite chocolate treats right here. This is my all-time favorite chocolate of all time, though. Some Reese's. Back there from the stocking stuffer right there. Anyway, look, I'm about to close the video, man. Listen. It's good to be back. It's good to see you guys. All positivity, man. We're getting close to going into the so-called new year. We all know it's not a real new year. You know what I'm saying? Nothing new in the dead of winter. But for celebration worth, I know everybody that I know, most people are going to get down. So we're going to play cards or dominoes or whatever. But whatever it is that you do, my point is be safe out there. I love you guys. Keep it crispy. Stay positive. Stay focused. Stay studied up. Hustle hard. Until next time, it's your boy Snoopy always signing out. Keep it banging. You know. Peace out, y'all.